Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube. So lately I said that I was going to try to be a little more consistent. Really I've been focusing on trying anyway to focus on quality over quantity, and which is the reason why I've not been putting out as many videos as I would have liked to, because I'm having a really hard time right now with editing. So I decided today to come to you guys with something that I wouldn't have to edit much at all. I could just edit this on my phone. And so yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys today about some of the things that I have been loving lately as far as makeup is concerned. Now, I wasn't gonna be fake and put on makeup for the purpose of this video because it is rare. I never wake up early enough to wear it. For work anyway, and on the weekends sometimes, let's just say I only ever wear makeup when I absolutely feel like being a super bad bitch. But that isn't to say that I don't love to wear makeup. Y'all know me, y'all know I love to wear makeup. So let's jump right on into it. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is foundation. Now, I have two foundations here that I have been loving. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, but this is like a full coverage foundation. And I am in the shade Nutmeg, and I've been loving this Becca Luminous Perfecting Foundation. And this is something that is a little more everyday for me if I'm gonna do foundation, because usually I just try to do a tinted moisturizer, which I make myself. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to make some tinted moisturizer. And as far as concealer is concerned, this Tarte Shape Tape, y'all know this is gonna be in here. This concealer is like the holy grail of concealers. It can hide everything. Every imperfection you ever had, it's gonna hide it. I love this stuff. So in my makeup looks, my no makeup looks, whatever type of makeup look I'm doing, this is gonna be in it. Next, I wanted to talk to you guys about, I guess, let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. This is the Jacelyn Hill palette. Uh-oh, me getting focused here. This beauty. And look at those colors. Now, with this palette, you can do bold looks, neutral looks, any type of look, really that. Now, because I'm not that bold, I usually use this palette for my neutral looks, but I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and start doing some color on myself. I do color on clients all the time, but as far as myself is concerned, not so much, but I'm gonna try to get out of that. Okay, let's talk about powder. This stuff was I think this stuff was a little expensive. This is Lancome. I have a lot of expensive makeup, but this stuff, for some reason, I think this stuff was pricey. I can't remember how much it was, but this is the dual finish powder. This is in 460. Y'all, this stuff like goes on your skin like a second skin, like a glove. It's perfect. I love this stuff for a natural look, which is usually what I'm going for anyway, is a natural look. So this is you definitely need this in your makeup bag. And I have a lot of clients and then a lot of people in general just asking me about blush all the time. Y'all, black people can wear blush. Who told y'all that black people can't wear blush? Black people can wear blush. You just have to know how to apply it, how much to apply, and what type of blush to get. One of my favorites is this Too Faced Peach My Cheeks blush. This is the melting powder blush, and this is in Spiced Peach. That is a beautiful color. I love using this blush, and really this is the blush that I've been using, like when I do my makeup, my everyday faces. This is it. I've been loving it. Y'all know me, y'all know this is the Pore Eraser Baby Skin. I lost the top to this, but we just gonna ignore that, by Maybelline. This is super inexpensive, and it is a freaking amazing primer. Unless you're trying to be like all dewy, you know, you need primer. This stuff you can find in a drugstore. It's cheap. No reason why you shouldn't have it in your bag. For my eyebrows, I have been using this Wet n Wild's Kohl eyeliner. This is in the shade Simmer Brown. This is $1, y'all. This is $1. This, you know, I use my paint pots, but honestly, I always, like, I gravitate toward the pencil because this is what I started with. This is what I'm used to. I use this pencil quite often. For my, I still use fake ones, but I'm trying to grow mine out. I'm gonna let y'all know how that goes. I use this Bad Gal by Benefits. Yeah, this stuff is perfect. It makes anybody, if you don't have any eyelashes and you are not a fan of fake eyelashes, I suggest that you use this stuff. I promise you, like, I have no bottom lashes whatsoever. This is the stuff that I always use to make my bottom eyelashes pop when I don't apply any fake ones. And as far as my lip combos have been concerned, this Fenty Glow Bombshell lip gloss, this has been like my holy grail lip gloss. I use this all day, every day, all the time. And I have been pairing it lately with this NARS Velvet Shadow Stick and Dark Angel. So this combination, and y'all, don't talk about my nails. Now, I have an appointment. My nail tech has been out of town. I know how this looks, but she's coming back. But this stuff, back to the point, this stuff it's amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, and lastly but not least, we want to set that in place. This Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, it's about $15. It's a little, to me, it's kind of cheap for, you know, for setting spray. I love this stuff. It holds your makeup in place, and I put setting spray on with whatever type of makeup look that I do, because I'm not the type of person that likes to reapply her makeup during the day. I like to be one and done and have to do maybe like a 1-2 touch-ups depending on how intensive that makeup look is. So yeah, so far guys, that is what I have been liking. I noticed I didn't do like a setting powder like to like set when you're like highlighting and contouring and things like that, and that is because I just wanted to show you guys like what I've been kind of loving as far as my everyday kind of face is concerned. Not something that I would do if I was going out to a wedding or to a party or something that will require me to dress up a little bit more. So yeah, thank you guys so much once again for supporting me, for watching my channel. This year 2020, I said that I was gonna like really start, you know, hammering at this YouTube thing, really trying to get more content out there, be a lot more consistent with you guys, and that was one of my New Year's resolutions, and I am thankful and grateful to say that so far so good. I have a lot of fun videos coming to you guys. Thank you again so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I definitely want to be in touch with you guys. I want to, you know, I want to talk. So yeah, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you. Bye.